Now, can anyone tell me what is happening here by directly seeing the loop? Can anyone say what has happened? It is increase in afterload. Increase in afterload. How do you increase afterload? Total peripheral resistance increase. Basically, vasoconstricting. Basically. Now, whenever there is a constriction of vessel, there is always one receptor involved. Alpha 1. And what type of protein is alpha 1? GPCR. Which type of GPCR? GS, GQ, GI. Remember it like this. Alpha, alpha, beta, beta. Alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. And write this word, kiss. Q for K, Q instead of K, but kiss. Alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. Even beta 3, there is one more receptor, beta 3, which is also an S. Beta receptor is always S, GS. So what type of receptor are we talking here? Which receptor from this? GP, GQ, GR, GS, what? GQ, right? What does GQ involve? Which intracellular signaling pathway? What is the molecule involved? That's what I'm asking. Like for in GS, we have CAMP, cyclic AMP. What is involved here? Phospholipase, C, DAG, IP. So basically calcium, right? Calcium, basically. This all stimulate calcium release. So you guys answer GS cover receptor. Answer was simply GQ.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.